Many systems were built years ago, and these systems cannot support today's volume. We, as IT experts, start seeing the process bottlenecks without an end-to-end tracking. Leaders often have a hard time understanding where issues originate and how decisions affect the broader workflow.
Those pain points set the stage, but what companies really want to know is how do you actually solve them?
We make sure that our solutions are up to the standards, follow the best practices. Transformation does not stop at the go-live phase. No, transformation continues.
Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Infosysta Podcast. We're here today with Assaad Abou Rached, the lead solution architect at Infosysta, for a conversation on the key trends and priorities shaping how organizations adapt to fast-moving digital change. Assaad, welcome to our episode.
Thank you for having me, Amani.
In your work with enterprises across ITSM, cloud, digital transformation, and DevOps, you see challenges from a very close angle. Let's start from the top. What are the pain points companies are struggling with today?
Okay, great question, Amani. So I'm gonna summarize my response to this. I'm gonna name just four points, four main points. So across different industries, the challenges are surprisingly similar. I'm gonna start with scalability, which is at the top of the list. Many systems were built years ago, and these systems cannot support today's volume and the modern collaboration models that we have. So as organizations grow and expand, these limitations become very visible. So this is one. Then we as IT experts start seeing the process bottlenecks, especially in IT teams. And what I mean by that these bottlenecks will and always affect IT teams. And we're talking about manual approvals. We're talking about redundant work and duplicated work. We're talking about other bottlenecks that I cannot name them all that affects these teams. So these bottlenecks are one of these main pain points that we have. Third, we have the governance and the visibility. So without an end-to-end tracking, leaders often have a hard time understanding where issues originate and how decisions affect the broader workflow. Okay, and this is a huge pain point, a huge challenge for organizations. And lastly, we have the tool misalignment. We have different teams, and these teams use many disconnected tools that do not integrate well with one another. And this leads to silos, creating silos, and leads also to inefficiencies. That fragmentation is one of the biggest barriers to performance.
Those pain points set the stage, but what companies really want to know is how do you actually solve them? So how does Infosysta approach these challenges from technical perspective?
We have a very well-structured approach at Infosysta, an end-to-end approach. The first phase is the consulting. We start with consulting. We start by understanding the challenges that our clients have, the maturity level, okay, and the objectives of our client. Then we move to the implementation part, and we make sure that our solutions are up to the standards, follow the best practices, and the solutions are built properly and correctly from the very beginning. Then we have the middle layer, and this layer differentiates us from the others. We have the customizations and integration. We tailor workflows, we tailor in automation, and we help our clients to achieve their needs by applying exactly what they are looking for. And lastly, we have the managed support part, because transformation does not stop at the go-live phase. No, transformation continues. So we continue to, first of all, tune the performance to enhance and improve the automation and refine the reporting that will reflect the companies and the organizations exactly how they operate.
It's great that you showed real world outcomes. It's one thing to talk progress and it's another to show impact.
Correct.
So can you share some examples of real results you've delivered for clients?
Many of our clients come to us with a huge number of tickets that does not have automation in place or with minimal automation. Now, after we redesign the workflows and after we introduce an SLA-driven processes, we have helped our clients to reduce the resolution time dramatically and to improve efficiency by at least 40 to 50%. Sorry, and these are actual numbers in our case studies and business cases. So this is one. Two, we operate. I don't want to say that we operate differently from others, but we have our own concepts and our own methodology in applying things. Continuing from the first idea that I mentioned about the service management, we have the migration to cloud. Many of our clients have been moving to cloud in the past few years, and this is trendy thing nowadays. Now, what do our clients benefit from moving to cloud? First, the enhanced performance and the enhanced security and the built-in security that cloud provides our clients with. And lastly, the huge reduction in cost and also the reduction of the infrastructure overhead. Now, there is one key area that I want to mention here, which is the cross-team automation. And what I mean by that, by connecting different teams together, like IT, DevOps, security, and the business workflows all together. Here we are enhancing collaboration across these cross teams, which will result in better performance for the company. And I would like to say that what I really love about these projects, that every outcome can be measured. And as we all know, KPIs matter to us and to the management, us as IT experts and to our management. So from SLA compliance to cost reduction to deployment frequency and even user satisfaction, all of these can be measured with accuracy.
Those are impressive results and very relevant for organizations today.
Yeah.
But we both know that the world is changing fast and technology is evolving faster than ever. So in your opinion, what are the key trends that are shaping the future of ITSM, cloud, and DevOps?
Well, it's not an opinion. Actually, it's facts that we have. We have identified three major categories that are trendy now. One of the most important category is AI that we all use on daily basis. So we have firstly the AI-powered automation. AI is becoming essential for all organizations, starting from the intelligent ticket routing all the way to predictive analytics. So AI has been helping and is helping organizations to make smarter decisions and, of course, to move faster. Second, we have the cloud modernization. Cloud nowadays is the foundation of agility, offering scalability, built-in security, and enhanced performance as well. And thirdly, the security, which complements the first two. And I mean by security by design. Security must be implemented at the beginning of each project. Because now with as the evolvement of the compliance requirements and cyber threats that we see on hourly basis and on minutely basis, security, all companies must implement security at the beginning of the projects from day one. And we're talking about identity management, we're talking about data protection, we're talking about compliance monitoring. All of these are now core architectural components.
So with all that happening, AI, cloud modernization, and automation, companies might feel overwhelmed.
Correct.
So what is the key message you want the organizations to take away from this?
So the key message is very simple. I'm going to put it short to one single sentence. These challenges are signs of growth, not failure. So as organizations expand and grow, it's completely normal to encounter scalability issues, governance gaps, or even tool misalignment. These aren't red flags. Actually, these are signs that the organization is evolving. And the real differentiator here is not avoiding these challenges, but recognizing them at an early stage and putting the right structure in place to support the next stage of growth. Now, that's exactly where we come in as Infosysta. So at Infosysta, we help these organizations turn complexity into clarity by building systems that scale, enable teams to collaborate and become more efficient, remain secure, and stay tightly aligned with the business strategy. Because in the end, digital transformation isn't about tools, it's about building a sustainable and efficient way of working. Now, when technology is aligned with the clear processes and empowered people, then here it stops from being a short-term fix and becomes a foundation for long-term and measurable success.
Assaad, thank you for breaking this down. Great clarity, great insights, and definitely a lot for organization to take away from this.
Thank you, Amani, so much.
And to our audience, stay tuned. More conversations coming up.